You've got a lot of jobs to do. The last thing you want to worry about is your dirt roads getting washed out. When using Perma Zyme, you can stabilize your soil to create a concrete-like surface for over 10 years so you can get back to work. Perma Zyme stabilizes your soil, stabilizes your budget, and stabilizes your future. Perma Zyme works with a variety of soils and all climates to create a long-lasting, low-maintenance road. Applying Perma Zyme is quick, easy, and requires no special equipment. Once Perma Zyme is applied, your road will be hard as concrete and will last 10 to 15 years. Treating your unpaved road with Perma Zyme significantly reduces road dust and creates a concrete-like, water-resistant surface that does not require multiple applications. Perma Zyme is non-toxic, non-hazardous, and 100% environmentally friendly. Visit substrata.us to learn more.